In this video, I'll be showing you how to create food voice-over content. I know you have seen a lot of content on the internet where you see food, people's food, and somebody's talking at the background, how they make the food and all that. Is a very high selling content. A lot of people are doing it on YouTube, but only few people are doing it on Facebook. I'll be sharing with you how to create a food voice-over content. You may not necessarily be the one making the food, but with the strategies I'm going to show you, you a content creator on the area of food voiceover and is selling like wildfire. So stay with me on this video and I'll be showing with you. You need to calm down, watch this video to the end, follow the step by step I'm going to lay down for you now, and you will thank me later. Don't forget to share this video. You're not supposed to watch it alone. Let's go there. To do this, you go to your YouTube, you open the YouTube, then you click on shorts and type how to cook. You will see a lot of videos on food, beautiful videos on different kind of foods. You can see this one has 434k views, 744k views, as the case may be. So you can just follow one of them. So let's use this one for example. You do as if you want to share the video, so that I can copy the link of this video. Okay, you copy the link, then you come to this website, okay. Now when you come to this website, you see a place to paste the URL, that's the link. So but before you paste it, you go down and select YouTube as your source, since you copied the link from YouTube, so that you download the best quality of that video. So keep going down till you see YouTube. Okay, keep going down. Okay, this is YouTube. You click on YouTube, then you see that the title has changed to YouTube video downloader. Now paste the link here, paste the link, you click download. Now look at the preview of that video, right? Okay, what do? You download the video and you wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, as you can see, the video is already downloading. Yes, so in a split seconds the video will download. Okay, I think the video has downloaded now. Let me confirm that the video has downloaded. Okay, now once you have downloaded the video, what do? You go to CapCut, open CapCut and click on new project.
Do you know what I love most about egusi?
And add the video. Now as you can see, the video is now on our timeline.
Do you know what I
when
love
you
most
play
about
it,
egusi?
you will discover that the video has an audio. Okay, now for you to successfully use this video and do your own voiceover, the first thing you do, you listen to the video from beginning to the end and know what the person is talking about, because you are going to recreate that same audio but with your own voice. So what do? You click on the video and go to where you have extract audio. So you scroll here, you will see extract audio. Go again, you will see extract audio. Click on extract audio to remove the audio from that video. You see now the audio has been extracted. Now highlight the audio and click delete. Now play the video again, you will not hear any voice. Okay, now in a situation where you have this kind of inscription, like this person is putting an inscription, you can highlight the video and increase the size of the video, bring it a little bit down, you have removed that person's name from this video. So now you can now do your own voice, having listened to what the person said before. How do you do that? You come to audio and scroll until you get where you have record. Okay, now if you click here, now you will start recording your own voice. You will record your voice and everything. This video will be as if you are the one that did it, and everything will become your own. There will be no copyright in anywhere. So this is how to create a voiceover. This video does not have any voice again. Anything you now say under this video becomes the real voice. It will look as if you are doing food voice over content now. So that's how it is. So you don't need to do the video or know how to cook it. Just download this and follow the step I've shown you here. Remember to share this video. This is Chimezo Demenam. God bless you and bye for now.